So student, in this poem, the poet want to convey the reader, the poet want to inform the readers that we should not always kill the snakes, because every snakes are not poisonous. Okay, and the humans have tendency that they always dare to kill the snakes. Okay, because like us, like every human creatures, snakes are also human, they are the creature. Okay, they are the living things, we should not kill them. Okay, only some of the snakes are poisonous and all snakes are not poisonous, all snakes are not harmful. In this poem, the snakes are victim. Okay, the snakes are sufferer, and human beings are the criminal or the person who kills the snake. So let's read the poem. So most of us think snakes fear some symbol of death. So most of us, we all the people, most of us, we think that the snakes are fearsome. Fearsome means that they are dangerous, dangerous symbol of death. But the snakes in this poem itself a victim. So snakes in this poem is itself a victim. He is the sufferer. Okay, and who is causing suffer? Who is responsible for the suffering of snake? We the humans. We the humans are responsible for the suffering of snakes, because we all the time, whenever we see the snake, we take the sticks and we just kill the snakes. Okay, so the snake trying. So starting from first para of the poem, first phrase of the poem, the snake trying to escape the pursuing stick. So he was trying to escape. The snake was trying to escape. Pursuing sticks. What is pursuing stick? That is chasing stick. Means the stick which is chasing that snake with sudden curving of thing. So he was curving. So his movement was curving. You know.
Yes, sir.
Long body. So his body is very long. How beautiful. Now the poet is saying how beautiful and graceful are his shapes. So poet is saying how beautiful and graceful. So it gives very much beauty to poet, that he is like the beautiness of their long body. He glides through the water away. So he glides. Glide means that सरकना,
Yes, sir.
glide करना through the waterway. पानी में भी कैसे glide करता है वो, है ना? Oh, let him go. Now the poet is requesting to the reader that let him go. उसे जाने दो. Let him go. Do not stop him. Do not kill him. Over the water. Let him go over the water. उसे जाने दो. Into the reeds to hide. Without the hurt, small and green. Into the reeds. Reeds, that is mercy plants with thick stem. Reeds क्या होता है? जहाँ पे दलदली स्थान होते हैं, जहाँ छुपने के लिए जगह होता है. Where that snakes go to hide. वहाँ जाके क्या होता है? Snake छुप जाता है. So that's why the poet is saying that let him go. उसे जाने दीजिए. Don't stop him. Without hurt, small and green. Okay, so without, let him go without hurting him. So बिना हट के उसे जाने दीजिए. Hurt, small and green. He is harmless even to children. So he is saying that this snake is particularly very green, okay, and small. So this is not harmful. This is harmless. This snake is harmless. Even to children, बच्चों को भी, even to children, this is not dangerous. This is harmless. बच्चों को भी नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाएगा. So that's why leave this snake. Let this snake go into the reeds. स्नेक को अलाउ करो कि ये रीड्स में जाके चला जाए. Along the sand he lays until absorbed and chased away, and now he vanishes in the ripples among the green slim reeds. So along the sand, so he was moving in sands also. Okay, he lay until absorbed. तो तब तक दिखता है जब तक आप उसे देखते हो. Okay, एंड चेस्ट अवे, आप जब तक उसका पीछा करते हो, एंड नाउ, और जैसे आप पीछा उसका छोड़ देते हो करना, ही वेनिसेस, वो गायब हो जाता है, बिकॉज हिज स्पीड इज वेरी फास्ट, ओके। एंड इन द रिपल्स, कुछ रिपल्स वेव निकलती है ना, तो बिल्कुल उसी तरह जब वो गायब हो जाता है और पानी में जाता है तो वो एक प्रकार से वैनिश हो जाता है, ओके। ही हाइड्स इन द रीड्स, among the green slim reeds. So the green slim reeds means the green that is plants, he hides in himself, okay. So in this way this poem is completed. This short and I think awareing poem that causing you awareness, आपके अंदर जागरूकता फैलाने वाली poem है, so that you can be aware about the snakes. जो डर है आपके अंदर स्नेक का वो खत्म हो सके, और आप स्नेक को भी एक मतलब क्रिएचर समझो, कि ऐसा नहीं कि हमेशा स्नेक को मारने के लिए चले जाओ। ये जरूर है कि वैसा भी नहीं कि मतलब स्नेक देखा तो बिल्कुल उसके पास पहुंच गए, जबरदस्ती बिल खोजने वहां हाथ डाल रहे, नो, नॉट लाइक दैट, बट कीप सम डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द स्नेक, बट do not always kill them, okay? उन्हें हमेशा मारना नहीं चाहिए, अगर वो जा रहा है, if that snake is going, then let him go, okay?